The definition of adventure is a risky, daring, and exciting experience. So I guess you could say that travelling through France with someone I had only known for 3 days was just that, an adventure. You see, the world is like a book, and if we don't travel, we read only one page. It's only through our travels do we experience our full potential. Can we become the people that we wish to become?
You give me something to search, I absolutely love doing it.
Yeah.
But I'm wild in my research. He is structured, he knows what he needs to find why, you know. Me is like, you give me the thing, I do. But he knows why, for which reason, in which purpose.
Okay.
We're just gonna do it.
Because we know if shit goes bad, it's still going to be
An experience.
something that we're going to remember, yeah.
Something that we're gonna remember, yeah.
Freedom is a choice, and we can take it whenever we please. But most people live their lives in a prison. They convince themselves that they need a job, security, to accumulate money. I choose a different life. A life of freedom, adventure, experience and opportunity. A life with no limits. We are born free, and how we choose to live our lives is up to us, nobody else. And so I never understood why people spend so much time and energy trying to convince others that their way of life is the only way. Cast a stone. Step into the unknown. Become the person in which you are destined. For tomorrow, we may no longer be.
And the tripod?
Nah.
Is the wild woman. The wild feminine.
Did you go to the gym?
Yeah.
Is the breakfast the cider?
Yeah. No, it's drunk. It's ready for the bed.
Good morning, people, or should I say good afternoon. It is 3 o'clock here today in the Perigord Noir in the south of France. I'm going here today, this place, Regoudou, and they got grizzly bears. See? Grizzly bears. So for €9, I have to go and see them.
I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was born up in the mountain, raised by an old grizzly bear. I was fed by Mother Nature, and I breathe fresh, clean, natural air. I rose up with the sunlight and the moon, she called me to sleep. I rose up with the sunlight and the moon, she called me to sleep. My dreams came by to guide me, but they were not mine to hold or to keep.
What's up, people? So the grizzly bears were pretty cool, as you can see from the video. So I was on my way back to join Tamara in the campsite, and I've just spotted some hot air balloons flying over the sunset, which will be an awesome drone shot. So I've just pulled over, and I am going to grab the drone and fly the drone. The hot air balloons have just dipped below the mountain at the moment. So just waiting for them to show their faces again, and as soon as I see them, I'll put the drone in the sky and we'll see if we can film something cool. This looks like a nice place to fly the drone. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Otherwise, see what I can get, hopefully get some good footage. And so my time in the Perigord Noir has come to an end. I must travel south, for there are new pages to read. And so I say farewell to this special place, and I look to the mountains in anticipation. So, if you enjoyed this content, then please like and subscribe so that you may join me on my next adventure.